Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. First, make sure your Dyson SV10 is unplugged and completely powered off. This is crucial for your safety. Next, locate the battery compartment on the back of the vacuum. You will see a small panel secured by 2 screws. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and set them aside in a safe place. Once the screws are out, gently lift the panel off to expose the battery. Now you'll notice the battery is held in place by a couple of clips. Carefully press these clips to release the battery. If you find this step challenging, remember, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always reach out for assistance. With the battery removed, take a moment to clean the compartment. Use a soft cloth to wipe away any dust or debris that may have accumulated. This will help ensure a good connection with the new battery. Now take your new compatible battery and align it with the connectors in the compartment. Push it down gently until you hear a click, indicating it's securely in place. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get your vacuum serviced without any hassle. Once the new battery is installed, replace the panel by aligning it back into position. Secure it with the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tight but not overly so, as this could damage the panel. After everything is back in place, it's time to test your vacuum. Plug it in and turn it on to ensure the new battery is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to contact us for a quote before repair. We're here to help you get your Dyson back in top shape. Finally, remember to dispose of the old battery responsibly. Many local councils in Australia offer battery recycling programs, so check with your local services for options. By following these steps, you can successfully replace the battery in your Dyson SV10, extending its life and maintaining its performance. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.